Right, okay. Packing up. End-X. No one wants to pack up and go. It ain't fun. That means it's time to go back to reality. Anyway, I'm going to show you how easy it is to pack this thing away. Take all the stress out of putting your tent back in the packet that it came from. We're going to stick her back in there. Right. When we get home, we're going to take it back out. We're going to air it out. We're going to dry it out. We're not going to store it with moisture in it. They go mouldy, they go funky, they don't like it. Right, let's put this thing away. What I'm going to do, I'm going to close everything up. Close the door. Close my porch door up. Zip her up. Zip. Zip. We're going to remove our pegs and our guidelines, guide ropes. We're going to clean these when we get home. We're not going to store them dirty. Shaking the excess moisture off them. Right. Put these away with all the other pegs. Sorry, out of shot. Put these all away. Tie her up. Right, we ready? Pull. 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 Right. Let's not pull the poles out. We'll push them. You don't really want them spreading apart like that. There we go. So that's one. Stick a band back on. Push, push. If you do happen to snap or damage a pole, you can get replacements, but I've never managed to damage one. And I've been sleeping in these tents for 4 years now, I think. Never damaged one, never broke one, no elastics, ever come undone. Right, so we're going to stick those in their pouch. Now, the fun part. It really is a cinch. And you'll think, why didn't I think of that? So, we've got a bag, we've got pegs, we've got our poles. Now, what what I'm going to do, so I'm going to find the flow of the tent. So this is back, that's front. Flip her over. Grab the toes, the feet, the foot of the tent. Give her a nice shake, like you would your duvet. There we go. The tent is now inverted. You can see the whole layout from underneath the tent, how it all works. Right. I'm going to flip the porch in on itself. I'm then going to flip this into the centre and do the same on the other side. Now the cool bit. Take my pegs and my tent and my bag, my pegs, my poles and the bag. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a measurement. That's how wide my bag is. So I'm going to make sure that when I fold it, she's within that parameter. So, put her at the head. Now, in the tent world and the camping world, some people say it's a no-no to roll your poles and pegs with the tent. It can cause damage. Not with this. They are bomb-proof. You can do this with no issues whatsoever and be very confident that when you take this out into the woods, that hasn't caused any damage. There is no pole against material issues or peg against its quality. That's what you're paying for, isn't it? Right, so that's the width. So I'm going to fold her in a little bit more. Is that going to do it? There we go. That's our width. Now we're going to fold. Try not to pick up too much debris, but bear in mind you are going to unpack this when you get home and you're going to air it out. So I'm not having to push overly hard to persuade this tent to go back down into its original size. Put those in there. Let's put our repair kit in there. I'm going to do the zip up a little bit so I've got a back stop. Buckles out, tent in. It is that easy, honestly. I'm not having to force it. I'm not having to fight with it. One side. Job is a good one. Stop the clock. Simple as, right? Thanks again. Bye-bye.